Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Curliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is something sweet. Next week's theme will be Lighthouse. So if you have the time, make sure you join in on our collabs. We also enter our makes into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. So this week I am using these items, which will pop across the screen right about now. Anyways, all of my items are put away. I thought I would get up early this morning and make this video, and so that's what I'm doing. And here goes one of my cards. I thought it turned out so cute. I don't know why that's blurred, but hopefully you can see it. Anyways, so this is what I made. I thought I would take that cookie sheet and cut it in half to use on the 3x3 cards. The colors were inspired by Lisa Coffee Time and Cards or something like that. I can't remember the exact name of her channel, but that's where I got the inspiration for the colors from. I thought they turned out so cute. I did ink up the cookies a little bit, like the brown part where it would be the crust of the cookie, and then also the icing of the cookie. The Hello Sweet Friend, and this part, this little layer of the 3x3 came from my creative time. Also, if you'd like to use my code, it is MOE for 10% off your total purchase. Anyways, I thought that turned out really cute. I did ink up the leaves and that little yellow inside of that flower, but you can hardly tell, but it is inked up. And then I didn't finish the inside of the card. Not sure if I will, but it is a cute card. So let me show you the other ones a little bit more close. And each one has different cookies on it. I think I used the heart twice. So really cute. Let me show you that last one. And that one looks like a flower on there, this cookie there. But I thought that turned out so cute. But that is what I made for this week. Make sure you come back next week and see what we have created for you. Make sure you also go over and visit the ladies. And I think that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.